This is how to connect your Google site with the Search Console, or how you connect the Google Analytics to your Search Console. We already have a video where we connected our sites to the Analytics. Now we want to connect it to Search Console. So the Search Console is where you see all the search terms and things about search for your website. So you want to go to this website that says search.google.com. So you come to the Google Search Console. So here you want to basically add the website, and you want to also do it under the same email for better experience. So this is the website we connected in the initial video. All right. If you do not have a custom domain on your Google site, you can use your Google URL here. So the default link that comes with the Google site, you can use it right here. So you can paste it there and continue. But I have a domain, so I'm going to click on continue. So I'm using that one. So as you can see, it says the ownership was verified because we've done that before. So you go to properties now. So now that you are in properties, you can see this is the website inside of the Google Search Console. And after some time, you start getting information report about what is happening on your site, the performances, the inside, the performances, all the searches that you are ranking for, the search term, and all of that. You are going to find it here. You are going to see the insights. All right, in the last 28 days, this is going to be an overview of the entire performance of your website, the indexing, and all of that. You are going to see, you can inspect the different URLs on your website. You can see all the pages right here. You can see all the pages on your website, the sitemap. You can generate a sitemap for your website. So you can see everything that you can do inside of your Search Console. So this is how you connect your Search Console to your Google site and also to your Google Analytics.